Hello, I think you guys are lucky that the jailbreak team has come up with a new tweak for the Siri feature. It is SpotSiri. It allows you to have, or what's probably like, this tweaks allow you to add a Siri button on your Spotlight search bar. It's free on modmyi.com. You can check that out every time. It's free. So let's go to settings, and you wanna enable this. You always wanna enable everything else. You install something from Siri. So here you can see right Siri button. Boom. So once you tap this, the Siri's gonna come up. Testing.
Okay, everything checks out.
Yep, everything checks out, guys. So, do you like this tweak? You probably should. Well, it's one of the best tweak I've ever seen for the Siri feature. So if you like this video, please thumbs up always, comment, and don't forget to subscribe on the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.